Elsa, do you wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door and say you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you wanna build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Go away, Anna. Okay, bye. Do you wanna build a snowman? Ride our bikes around the halls. I think no company is overdue. I started talking to the pictures on the walls. Hang in there, John. It gets a little lonely. All these empty rooms, just watching the hours tick by. Elsa, please, I know you're in there. Cooper's asking where you've been. You see, have courage. I'm trying to put out here for you. Just let me in. We only have each other, you and me. What are we gonna do? Thanks guys for the second part.